So as you may or may not know, Splash Mountain is closing on January 23rd, 2023. And it will reopen as Tiana's Bayou. And you can tell already that they've done some work on the outside. And the line is ridiculously long, but you know what? Your girl got a fast pass. I'm sorry. Your girl ended up getting a disability return time. So at 1:08, I get to go get on Splash Mountain, and it probably will be my last time riding Splash Mountain. Bummer, man, bummer. But when it opens, I'll go ride it as Tiana. I'll still show Splash Mountain love, whether it's Splash Mountain or Tiana's. It's always going to be Splash Mountain to me. Won't see this guy anymore either. I'll find him at a thrift store.
Really what we like, cause that suits us.
Let it go! Say, Red Rabbit, how about I take you to my favorite place? It's
the big one.
right up here.
It's the big one.
So, you're...
Hey y'all, hold up there. I want to see this here laughing place over where Abby's talking about.
Take the ground, turn it upside down. And the fight as we say thank you. Cause we love that love you to stay.
Not too bad, didn't get too wet.
You ask me, sooner than later.
Don't you worry, Mr. Bluebird. I learned my lesson. The diabetes where you were born and the diabetes where you're gonna stay. One of these days I got a big red box everywhere.
Well, this is my farewell to Splash Mountain. I will always have this video to look back on and will always remember you as Splash Mountain. Thank you guys for being here, and I love you all, and I'll see you later. Bye.